Good morning, everyone. I'm Mrs. Holbrook, and I have baby Echo here. And baby Echo has a knock knock joke for you. Knock knock. Who's there? Broken pencil. Broken pencil who? Never mind. It's pointless. Ha ha. Good one, baby Echo. Did you get it? Pointless, because it's broken. Less is a suffix that means without a point. Okay, it's warm up time, and check it out. We're going to start with all of the vowel consonant E. The long E, the silent E makes the vowel say its long sound. Repeat after me. A safe A. E P E. I pine I. O home O. U mule U. You rule oo. Excellent job. And do you remember this handy dandy poster? It shows us the vowel sounds that are short and long so that we can practice saying it all. Here we go. A apple A safe A. E ed E P E. I itch I pine I. O octopus O home O. You up you mule you rule oo. Great job, my friends. And last but not least, we're going to practice some sounds that can sometimes be a little bit tricky. Here we go. When we do the standard cards now, we have the whole story to tell, two stories. A apple A safe A. E ed E P E. I itch I pine I. O octopus O home O. You up and what are the two long sounds of you? You mule you rule oo. Good, it says you and oo. ONG song ong. UNG long ong. And S. What are the sounds of S? S says S snakes. S bugs Z. When does S say Z? There's two times. Do you remember? It says Z when it's a suffix at the end sometimes, and sometimes when it comes between two vowels, like the word wise. Baby Echo is very wise. Owls are known for being wise. Okay, I have a word of the day for you. Check it out as I build it. As I put each sound up, I want you thinking about the sound. So we're starting with a blend. Let me hear you make that blend. Ghoul. Here comes the vowel. It's on the salmon color, the pink salmon. We don't know what sound that vowel makes yet because we have to look at the whole word. Okay, take a look. Do you know now what sound it makes? I see an E here, so it's vowel consonant E. That means the E is silent and the O says its long sound. It says its name. So this word is globe. Globe. Do you know what a globe is? That's right. It's a representation of the earth. And it usually can spin, and it has all the continents on it and the oceans. Have you ever played with a globe? That's fun. Okay, now let's talk about how we would mark this word, globe. What would we do? Scoop the syllable, label the syllable. Vowel, consonant E. Cross off the E. It's such a nice letter, always helping out. And last, we put the macron, the line, over the O to show that it makes its long sound. O, globe. Okay. Are you ready to come up with a sentence? What could our sentence be for globe? He has a big globe? Sure, that could work. So I would like you to please get your student notebooks. And we are going to need to find the vocabulary and find the letter G. We've entered a lot of words by now, so I know you're used to this. It's the page that looks like this. And when you have it, we first need to write the word globe. Take your time forming your letters. Make sure the B starts up at the skyline. Write that word globe. And then mark it. And then we'll go into our sentence. He has a big globe. Okay, I'll put up the one with the sentence. And if you need to pause here, my period is a little hard to see. I need to make sure I have my end mark and my capital letter at the beginning. Okay, pause here to finish completing this. Great job. Okay, so here's what I want us to do. I'm going to hold up some words and you are going to practice reading them. Now, some of the words are going to be vowel consonant E, and some of the words are going to be closed. And you have to look closely and decide which one it is to help you know how to read the vowel. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. I point, you read. Cub. Cube. Note. Not. Light. Lit. How did you do? If you couldn't read it before me, that's okay. I want you to pause the screen and practice reading them again. Okay, we want to get quick at noticing if the E is there to know what sound the vowel makes. The more you practice, the quicker your brain will get at it. Just like a sport, the more you practice, the better you get. Reading is just like that. Okay, let's go ahead and do one more round. Okay, here's round 2. I'll point, you read. Like. Lick. Bike. Remember that rule that when we hear k in a vowel consonant E, it's a K. Care. Tap. Tape. Tap, tape. Again, if you had trouble reading it before I did, pause the screen and practice them again. Okay, what do you think? I say it's time for you to grab your boards, your Velcro boards, and we are going to do a little building. All right? Pause if you need a little more time to go get your board. And let's get it started with some sounds. Repeat after me. I. Build the sound that says, I'll be building up here. So if you get stuck, you can check, or when you finish, you can check. I, consonant E. That makes the long I sound. Let's spell it away. I, consonant, E. Repeat after me. D. What says D? You can just point. What letter is it? D. When we're doing sounds, most of them we can point, but when it's the long sound of the vowel, we have to build it because we need the consonant and the E. Okay, repeat after me. E. What says E? Build it. Oh, yes, you ran out of E's, so you can use your other blank pink to represent another E. E, consonant E, would say E. Spell it away. E, consonant, E. Okay, let's do a few where we can just point. Repeat after me. Onk. What says onk? Which one? Listen to the beginning. Ah. And listen to the beginning. K, k. It's got to be in this row. So now listen to the vowel. Which one says onk? Spell it for me. O-N-K. Great job. Let's try another. Z. Point to the letters that say Z. There's two. Point to both of them. S and Z both say Z. S says Z as a suffix, and when it comes in between two vowels. Nice job. Let's try a digraph. Shh. What says shh? Tell me the letters' names. SH. What's the key word on that one? Ship. Very good. Okay, enough sounds. Let's build some words. Repeat after me. Lime. I like to have lemon and lime. Let's tap out lime. I'm. Build it on your boards. Pull them down to the bottom. I. When you're ready, you can check with me. If I didn't put the E, what would it say? Limb. We need the E to make it say I, lime. Okay, spell it away. L, I, M, E. Great. Remember, when I do these, if you want more time to do it on your own, just pause the screen or don't look up at mine until you're done. I want you to think first and then look at mine when you get stuck or you're done and you want to check. Repeat after me. Chase. Let's tap out chase. Ch-a-s. Let's spell it. Ch. What would that be? A. S. Good. Build it. Tap what you wrote. Make sure it says chase. Ch-a-s. Chase. And check with mine. How'd you do? Fix it up if you made any mistakes, please. And let's spell it away. C-H-A-S-E. Okay, my friends, very nice job today with all of those vowel consonant E words. Who can remember what the word of the day was? We started out with that circular, it's a sphere, it has continents on it. What is it called? A globe. And what kind of syllable is the word globe? Vowel, consonant, E. Nice job, everybody. Make sure your board is neat and cleaned up and in order, and I'll see you next time.